Hello, my name is Orrin Svika, and I am a tutor here at Lakeland. And today I'm going to help you out with the calculator. So today I'll be using the TI84 Plus, and this is usually the one your instructor requires. All right, so next what I want you to do is plug this top one here, number one, this whole thing in your calculator exactly as you see it. All right, and then I want you to get some value for that. All right, I want you to do the same thing for the second part here. Plug it in as exactly as you see it, and then get a value for that. And then once you get these two values, I want you to think about why they might be different from each other. But I want you to think about what you notice. So what do you notice about these two values? Right? Why did this happen? Right? Why did you get this value for this one, and why did you get this value for this one? They look pretty much the same, right? So I'll go ahead and plug that into my calculator. So 25 minus 9 times 2 is 7. And then this time I'm going to use the parentheses. 25 minus 9 times 2. Enter. But I get 32. So I get 7 and 32 for these two values here. Why might this be? You might think right away, oh, the calculator is doing something wrong, but actually the calculator is doing what it's told to do. It has to do with these parentheses that we plugged in. And with math, the calculator follows what's called the order of operations. So in this case, the calculator is doing the multiplication first. Instead of doing 25 minus 9 and then multiplying by 2, it's multiplying 9 times 2. So you're left with 25 minus 18. That's where that 7 comes from. Whereas this case, since the parentheses are here, the calculator knows to do what's inside of the parentheses first and then multiplies it by 2. The 25 minus 9 is 16. So 16 times 2 is 32. So when you're working with the calculator, you have to be very careful that you're following the order of operations. So that is pretty much what I have today. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it has helped you.